Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out the Renogy Lite Power 600 watt off-grid solar kit. This is a really nice little solar kit. 600 watts, a lot of power. Get about 3,000 watt-hour daily output with 99% MPPT efficiency. It's a complete solar kit. You can hook up to a 12-volt battery, 24, 36, or 48-volt battery. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. Get an additional discount on top of the deal that's going on right now, which is really good. So take advantage while it lasts. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So, Renogy Lite Power 600 watt off-grid solar kit. Power your off-grid adventures with cost-efficient kit, safe, hassle-free, high efficiency. Max 150 volt PV input. So the MPPT that comes with this is upgradable. You can actually add more to it later if you want. It's got low temp protection, so it's going to keep your batteries safe and it won't charge your batteries if it's too cold. You got half-cut perk cells, and you can seamlessly control and monitor all your devices through the Renogy app, which is one of the apps that I actually prefer and recommend. The included solar panels have advanced solar cells for enhanced efficiency. Built with grade A+ solar cells, they maximize efficiency with 9 bus bars for enhanced conductivity and perk technology for improved light reflection. And Renogy does send these in very secure, durable packages, proven reliability and performances. They've been rigorously tested for years, and Renogy is one of the most preferred product brands out there. Quick and easy mounting. I love setting these up. They're so easy to get going, and it's resilient across weather conditions. I've had panels up for years and years and years, still running with no issues at all. This is power simplified, performance amplified. Experience advanced solar charging with Rover Lite 60 amp MPPT charge controller. Designed for efficiency and affordability, delivers a compact yet powerful solution. Now this is your MPPT solar controller. This is what you're going to hook your solar panels to, and this is going to send out power to your battery in the correct form for your battery to be able to charge. This also has all kinds of built-in protections and is designed to dissipate heat to keep efficiency very high. And you can get up to 150 volt max solar input, compatible with 12 volt, 24, 36, and 48 volt systems. You can get a lot of solar coming out of this. This is engineered for any battery configuration. This kit is compatible with all battery types and supports all commonly used voltage systems. Power your home with ease and affordability. Say goodbye to complex setups. This all-in-one solar kit provides reliable power for your home, cabin, or backup home needs. This is going to simplify off-grid living. It includes a very easy to follow wiring diagram, and as you can see, is extremely simple. So I wanted to highlight this right now because there's a really good deal going on. You can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get that good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most importantly, click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over these limited deals.